In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, download any app you want to set up as your new default. I want to change my browser, so I downloaded Firefox. When you're ready, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Apps section available here. Then click on Default Apps. Select one of those sections you want to manage. As I mentioned, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Tap on your new app you want to apply, and when you're finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!